Hey everybody, just want to show you a quick recap of what I did to start my ginger project in the last video, and I will put a link to the video in the description below so you can go back and see the entire process, but just wanted to do a quick reminder before I show you the next steps. Here is now day 3 and what each of those ginger pieces look like. So you can see that there are roots starting on each one of these. It starts pretty quickly. 3 days in, you're already starting to see roots. Now here is day 11, and you can see the roots have grown even more. So they're starting to get longer and looking good. Now, take a lesson from me and stay on top of your ginger. Watch it and don't forget about it. I had things happen in my life that I needed to prioritize higher than my ginger, and so you can see that the roots dried out. Now, I am not one to give up easily. I don't just throw things away, and even though the roots don't look so great, I'm going to go ahead and plant these and see what happens. And if nothing happens, if they don't grow, okay, no harm, no foul, I will start over. So I am taking some small pots and I'm going to put some potting soil in them. I actually have a large pot that it has potting soil in it that's been used, but I'm going to use that potting soil again. I am not wasteful, and so I'm going to reuse it. I am adding some Plantone fertilizer to the soil just to rev it back up because it's probably not full of a lot of nutrients. So that's what I'm doing here, is just mixing in that Plantone fertilizer, and it's an organic fertilizer, so that the soil is a little more energized. And I'm going to water each of these pots so that the soil is wet underneath and gets, a good damp soil for the ginger to sit in. I'm going to let that water settle into the pots because that soil was really dry, and so that I know it is seeped down into the bottom, and these little pots have holes in them. So once that seeps in, I'm going to give it another bit of water because I want that soil to be moist. Now to plant those little ginger pieces, I'm just going to make a small little hole in each of the pots, and I'm going to place the ginger piece in and pull the soil around it, leaving a little bit of the top of that ginger exposed. Since it is late October, I am going to be bringing these plants into my garage and sit them on my grow racks under the grow lights. And that's what I'll be doing for the winter. And I will be checking on these probably every couple of days just to make sure they are not drying out, because I didn't give these a good head start because I let the roots dry out, so I need to give these a little extra care. But I will watch these closely and water them as needed, and we'll see how this goes. Thanks for watching the progress of this ginger project, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so and hit that notification bell so you can see the next steps in this project and other things I'm posting. Thanks for watching and have a great day.